Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to tan t. So the s we have secant of t squared dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s approaches to positive or negative infinity, you will have t equals to negative b over 2. If s approaches to positive infinity, so we have t equals to b over 2. This is the formula of tan t. So that was we have negative b over 2 and positive b over 2. So we put negative b over 2 go in here. And this one times t we put in here. The s we change for this one. This one we change for secant of t squared. This one we have secant of t to the power of 6. Now we simplify secant of t squared on numerator and denominator. We know that tan t to the power of 4 we change for sin t over cosine t to the power of 4. This one we change for 1 over cosine t to the power of 4. Cosine t to the power of 4 simplified by cosine t to the power of 4. So we change for sin t to the power of 4. Next, we have sin t squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2t over 2. But this one is about sin t to the power of 4. We can change into sin t squared to the power of 2. So sin t squared we change for this one. This one we need to expand. And we have about 1 minus 2 cosine 2t plus cosine 2t squared over 4. So I will put number 4 go outside. Next, we have cosine a squared equals to cosine 2a plus 1 over 2. So this one we change for cosine 4t plus 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 multiplied by cosine 4t and number 1. 1 plus 1 over 2, that's about 3 over 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 3 over 2, we have 3 over 2t. The integral of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. And the last one, and we put the bounds from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. This one we simplify. Now we put b over 2 and negative b over 2 go in here. We calculate about this one, and we have 3b over 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.